Good morning to all. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Dr. RS Mathematics and Geography classes. I complete the all types of mathematics in my YouTube channel with geography and EVS. For example, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, CBSE, ICSE boards and higher educations for BSc, BTech, Polytechnic Diploma and MBA classes. If you read, study in these one of the classes, then you are join my YouTube channel and complete your syllabus free of cost. If you taking the live online classes, then you write the message my WhatsApp number 9719163762. If you taking the online live classes, then you write the message and classes by WhatsApp number 9719163762. We are decided the minimum fees of the online classes. So you are join my classes and complete your syllabus. And if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so I request you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start in this video. We are discussed in previous classes how to find the inner derivative of the given functions. So in this series we are discussing some most important questions. Find the inner derivative of 1 upon x square plus of a square, and second part of this x upon x square plus of a square. Now we start question number first. Let y equal to 1 upon x square plus of a square. First we find the factor of these functions. After then we are discuss the nth derivative. So 1 upon x square plus a square we are not got the factor easily of this function. So we are change this function in complex form. So write y equal to 1 upon x plus ai and x minus a of I. Here we know that I square equal to minus 1 by the complex numbers. Okay, then this is the formula 1 upon x plus ai, x minus ai, product of this a plus b and a minus of b, that is right a square minus of b square. It means this is the factorize of the form of this. So write the x square and a square I square, then putting the value of I square minus 1. So we are got the original value of this. So we are break this formula in form of this. After then we are write the partial fraction of this. So y equal to 1 upon x plus x minus ai minus 1 upon x plus of ai and 1 upon 2a of I. By the partial fraction. By the partial fraction. Okay. We are break this function in form of this 1 upon x minus ai minus 1 upon x plus ai and 1 upon 2ai by the partial fractions. Understand all of you? If you know about the partial, what is the partial fraction? If you don't know the partial fraction, then you are see my the previous video. We are discuss the how to find the partial fractions of the given functions. After then you are complete, you are under better understanding of these questions. So you are see my the previous video. So 1 upon x minus a minus 1 upon x plus of ai. Okay. Now y equal to 1 upon 2ai x minus ai to the whole power minus 1 minus x plus ai to the power whole minus of 1. So differentiating of this by 1 upon 2ai minus 1 to the power x minus ai whole power minus 2 minus minus 1 or x plus ai whole power minus of 2. Okay, you are differentiating of these functions. Minus 1 power is front and after then minus 1 is left. So minus 1 minus 2. Again differentiating of this function. Differentiation of x is 1 but ai is 0. So we are not right over here, only the 1. Again y2 equal to 1 upon 2ai minus 1 and minus 2 x minus ai to the power minus 3 minus minus 1 and again minus of 2 x plus ai to the power minus 3 and so on. Okay, we are differentiate of this function in 2 times by 1 by 2 by 3 by 4 and by 5. After then we are find the nth derivative of this given function. If you any doubt of these questions, please tell me by the comment box. You are again explain of this question we are in the next video, so please make a note. Now we are changing the form of this. By 2 equal to 1 upon 2ai. We are write minus 1 and minus, taking out the 2 minus, we are write minus 1 to the square, but 2 into 1, write 2 into 1 upon positive power of this x minus ai to the power of 3 minus similar process minus 1 to the power 2 into 1 upon x plus ai to the power of 3. So we can see that if 2 time differentiation, then minus 1 to the power 2, or this is the factorial of 2. 2 into 1, this is also right. 2 into 1 equal to factorial of 2. You know about the factorial. This is the topic of the inter classes for the binomial expansion, permutation and combinations. So 2 into 1 is represent the factorial 2 and y of n 1 upon 2ai minus 1 to the power 2, 2 time differentiation, then power is 2, so minus 1 to the power n factorial 2 factorial n divided by x minus ai, but differentiation is 2 times but power is 3, more than 1 power, so differentiation this is the n times, you are write the power of n plus 1. Okay, similar process in second step, minus 1 to the power n factorial of n or x plus ai to the power whole power n plus of, this is the nth derivative of this function, but we are not step this question in this here, because we are discuss of the next step of this, we are change the value of x and y of this. So write the form of this, we are common out of the value this, so y n equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial n divided by 2ai 1 upon x minus ai to the power n plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus ai to the power n plus 1. Then yn equal to minus 1 to the power factorial n or 2ai, write the value of this x minus ai to the power minus n plus 1 minus x plus ai to the power minus n plus of 1. If you any doubt of these steps, we are common the value of this out of this, remaining value of this numerator denominator taking out the numerators, the power is change, plus is minus. Okay, understand all of you, please make a note. Now let x equal to r cos theta and coefficient of i is a, so we are let a equal to r sine of theta. These are represent the polar coordinates. X equal to r sin r cos theta, and coefficient of I is a, and here be I is a, so a equal to r sin of theta. Squaring and adding both of you, x square plus a square equal to r square, imply that r equal to in root of x square plus of a square. Okay, understand all of you? Very simple. And divide to each other, r sin theta upon r cos theta equal to a upon x. Cancel out of this, imply that this is the tan theta equal to a upon x, imply that theta equal to tan inverse ay of x. So value of we are let the x equal to r cos theta, unknown value of r and theta. So we find the value of r, x square plus a square, and theta is the tan inverse a upon x. This is the form of the polar. Please make a note. We are putting these value place of x r cos theta, y of n minus 1 to the power n factorial of n upon 2ai of this x r cos theta minus I r or sine of theta minus n plus 1 minus similar value of this r cos theta plus I r sine of theta power of minus n plus of 1. Then taking out the r is common, minus 1 to the power n factorial n 2ai r to the power minus n plus 1. Value of this cos theta minus I sin theta whole power minus n plus 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n plus of 1. Value of this we are known about by the De Moivre theorem. De Moivre theorem is this, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power of n equal to power of this is multiplied by the theta. Power of this is multiplied by the theta, cos of n theta plus I sin of n theta. So power of this cos n theta or sine of n theta. This is the De Moivre theorems. Okay, power of this multiply with the theta. Same procedure apply of this minus 1 to the power n factorial n 2ai power of r minus n plus 1 taking out of denominator r to the power n plus of 1. Power multiply of this cos minus n plus 1 into theta I sin minus n plus 1 into theta minus cos minus n plus 1 into theta or plus of I sin minus n plus 1 into of theta. Okay, by the De Moivre theorem to are taking the power of this in the with the multiply angles. So you are known about of this cos of minus theta is also cos theta, but sine of minus theta equal to minus of theta. You are known about this is the very simple cos minus theta also is cos theta, no change with the sign, but cos minus sine minus theta minus is come out the bahar, then sine of theta out of this. Okay, so minus sine of theta we are change in form of this factorial of n 2ai r to the power n plus 1 minus this is the value of cos n plus 1 into theta, but minus of this is come out of this this is taking the positive I sin n plus 1 of theta. Again procedure, no effect of this, minus cos n plus 1 of theta, but minus sign come out of this, then taking the minus, but this is also minus, so again the positive, so I sin n plus 1 into of theta. This is the negative value, this is the positive value, cancel it out both of you. Then minus 1 to the power n factorial n 2ai I sin n plus 1 into theta, I sin 2I sin n plus 1 into of theta, cancel out of 2 and this. If you any doubt of this question, please tell about all of you. Very simple question. We are putting the value of x equal to r cos theta and y a equal to r sin of theta. After then by the De Moivre theorem is discussed here कि cos theta plus I sin theta power of n multiply with the theta, multiply with the angle, in place of theta any value. So n of this cos n of theta plus I sin n of theta. Again similar process, we are apply the power of this, ये theta, तो cos this, but condition of this के cos minus n theta, minus theta is also cos theta, but sin minus theta is also minus sin theta. Minus is come out of the theta. Okay, understand all of you? Please make a note. Now again, most important question for your exams. So value of this, remaining value of this, y of n minus 1 to the power n factorial n divided by 2ai or r to the power n plus 1. Sorry, 2ai is cancel out, a r to the power n plus 1 sin n plus 1 into of theta. We are find the value of r, known about of this, a equal to r sin of theta, then r equal to a upon sin of theta. We are putting the value of r, a upon sin theta in place of r. So minus 1 to the power n factorial n upon a value of r, a upon sin of theta to the power n plus 1 and sin n plus 1 into of theta. Okay, now value of this minus 1 to the power n factorial n a into a to the power n plus 1 upon sin to the power n plus 1 into theta, or sin of n plus 1 into of this is value go out in numerator and write multiply of this minus 1 to the power n factorial n upon a to the power n plus 2 or sin to the power n plus 1 into theta and sin n plus 1 into of theta. This is the nth derivative of given functions. Understand all of you? yn equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial n a to the power n plus 2 sin n plus 1 into theta or sin n plus 1 into theta. This is the power n plus 1, but this is the product with the theta. This is the complete questions, complete answer of this questions. Please make a note. Okay, understand all of you? If you any doubt of this question, second question do yourself. Second is y equal to x upon x square plus a square. Okay, second is this, we are complete some half of this, but the same question you are done this question. If y equal to of this, so y equal to x upon x square plus of a square. We are factorize again of this x upon x plus ai or x minus of ai. We are factorize of this x plus ai, x minus of ai. So again y equal to 1 upon 2 1 upon x plus ai plus 1 upon x minus of ai. Okay, factorized by the partial fraction x minus ai, this is cancel out ai and ai, 2x 1 by 2 by the partial fraction. Okay, again y equal to 1 by 2, write x plus ai to the power minus 1 plus x minus ai to the power minus 1. We are differentiate of this function by 1 by 2 by 3 and 3 times. After then some similarity are making of this question, then you are find the nth derivative and again putting x equal to r cos theta and a equal to r sin theta. And now you have find the answer of this question. This is similar process as the previous questions. So this is question do yourself. If you any doubt, you are write my comment box. You don't find the answer, then you are query with comment box. That's all in this video. And I am again request you, if you taking the online live classes, then you give message 9719163762 my WhatsApp number and continue your study with the live classes. Okay, we are discuss more question in the next video, and I am again request you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the complete video.